I'm going to show you how to install mods for Roadside Research game. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser and head to nexusmods.com, and then you want to search for Roadside Research and click on the game here, and it should take you to the mods page where you can see all the available mods here. For example, no wall drop, auto gas pumping, player speed, auto dirt cleaner, and the automation of the checkout. Now all you need to do is download the mods that you want to use. So for example, the player speed and the auto gas pumping. Now before you can download the mods, you will need to sign in to your account. And if you don't have one, you can create one for free. Then go to the mod page, go to Files tab. From here, click on Manual Download. And if it requires BepInEx, it should show you where to get it from. So click on this to open it in a new page and download the current mod file. Click on slow download and free download. And this should start the mod download. Now you want to download the BepInEx loader to be able to use these mods. From the link we've opened earlier, click on manual download here. Go to files again. And you can download the one that is compatible with your operating system. So for example, the 64-bit here. Click on manual download and then click on slow download for free, and this should start the BepInEx download. And then let's download the last mod, which is the auto gas pumping, which is the same process. Go to files and then slow download. And now once you've downloaded all the mods you need, you want to extract them. So I'm going to grab all the files that I've downloaded, and the first thing you'll need to do is extract the BepInEx folder into the game installation path. So you want to go to Steam Library, find the game Roadside Research, right click, manage, and then browse local files. And in this folder right here, you want to paste the BepInEx we've downloaded. So I'm going to extract the files from the BepInEx zip and select everything and grab it to the game installation path. Now close this zip file and run the game for the first time. Click on the play button and wait for it to launch. And the first game launch is going to initialize BepInEx. So after the game launches, you want to click on the quit button. And now BepInEx should be initialized. You want to go back to the game installation path, and this time we're going to install the mods. So I'm going to grab the mods zip files here, open up the BepInEx folder, and you should find plugins folder. Now you want to grab or extract the plugins to the BepInEx plugins folder. You want to grab the DLL file and place it here for the auto gas pumping mod, and for the player speed you want to do the same and place it here. And you can also place any other mods that you want to use. Download their zip file and get the DLL and place it here. And then you want to go back and launch the game again. And once the game launches, the mods should be installed. Now all you need to do is start playing the game. And if you're having any issues with BepInEx, or if the mods are not loading properly, or it's crashing your game, what you can do is try to use different versions. So you want to search for BepInEx and click on the first GitHub link here. And then you want to go to the releases section, which is on the right side right here. Click on releases and try to download the latest version from here, which provides multiple versions. Choose the one for your operating system, for example, Windows here, and try these versions to see if that solves the problem. And there is multiple different versions here with different fixes, so you can try them and see which one works for you. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.